Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to recreate the sticky scroll animation from the Apple Watch website using Framer without writing any code. I have included a link to the Apple website as well as a free remix link for this project in the description so you can customize it yourself. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a project, then close it, click this layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack, then press F on your keyboard to add a frame. We will set the width and height later. Now turn this frame into a component. Right click here on this layer, create component, name it hero image or anything you would like. Next, again click this layer to make it stack and upload our image. Now click this variant 1, set the width 1200, height, fit content. Now click this variant 1, this text, and click here to add another variant. Click this hero image, scroll down, styles, filters, blur, and add some blur, I guess 20. Now click this home, set the width, fill, height, fit content. Click this desktop, set the height, fit content. Next, let's add the text content. So to do this, press T on your keyboard to add text and click here, paste our text, select it, change the font to Satoshi, weight, bold, change the color to this color, font size to 56. Again press T on your keyboard to add our paragraph text, paste this text, select it, change the font to Satoshi, medium, color, size 24, select both and press Ctrl Alt Enter to wrap them into a stack. Name it text content, change the position type to absolute and then scroll up, set the width fixed 460, click here, set the width 400. Now click here, align, start and move it slightly here, add some gap, maybe 30. Next, press Ctrl+ D to duplicate this, zoom out a bit and move this text to here. Now update the content, set the width 530, also update the content, set the width 520. Now select the parent layer and move it like this somewhere here. We can change the name to text content 2 or anything meaningful. Now for the final step, we need to make the image component sticky so it stays in place while we scroll. Click here, change the position to sticky. But as you can see, when we set the position to sticky, the text disappeared. So we need to add a z-index to make it visible again. Click here, scroll down, z-index, make it I guess 2. Then click here, scroll down, z-index, make it 2. During the scroll, we also want the image to switch to the blurred version. To do that, we have to tell Framer exactly when the image should change. We will use an empty frame as a trigger. When this trigger reaches the canvas during scroll, the image will swap. So create a new frame, change the position to absolute, maybe we can drop it here. Again, add some z-index, maybe 3 to see it. I forgot to add a height here. So select this both text content and this component and wrap them into a stack. Then set a height, select all, press Ctrl Alt Enter, name it container, set a fixed height 3000 pixel, distribute, start, then select this text content, position absolute, move it here to the top, again click here, position absolute, then position it here somewhere. Now click this frame, name it 1, position it somewhere at the bottom, I guess 1300 or maybe 400. Let's see, we will adjust the position later. Then scroll down, scroll section, again name it 1 for consistency. Now click this hero image, this component, effects, scroll variant, trigger, section in view, viewport, bottom, select the section 1, variant 2. Now let's give it a preview to see if it's working or not. Yes, the variant is changing, but our component isn't sticky because we wrapped it in a stack. which gives it a relative position. So go back and click this hero image, change the position to sticky. Now let's see. Yes, it's working. It's working, but we need to make a few adjustments to match the style of the Apple website or our project. Click here, remove its fill color, then on our project, you will notice that the component scrolls slightly before it becomes sticky. As you can see, to achieve that effect, we need to add a negative top value so it scrolls a bit before sticking. Click here, hero image, add some top value, -700. Let's give it a preview. Perfect. It scrolls a little before becoming sticky. At the end, there's a glow effect. If you want to remove it, go back, then click this desktop, remove the fill color, click this hero image, double click on it, variant, fill color, remove it. Now let's give it a preview. Perfect. If you want, you can take more time to polish it and make it even better. That's how you can create a clean sticky scroll animation similar to Apple's. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. That's all for today. I'll see you in the next video, inshallah.